I know that they say that the language is dying and so on, but at the same time, I don't think it's gonna happen, because basically there are so many positive people that are, infected by the language, and so I think the language is developing. Actually, it's still like, if you know that every month new words are created in Yiddish, because to adjust to the modern times. Basically, I think that this language, we can I can say that maybe there is a gap of one generation of Yiddish, so you can talk easily with people who are older, who knew the language before the Second World War, and then there is one generation gap. I don't know if that's just my feeling, like that they decided to focus on different things, on different languages, on different Jewish language, and now we have this reborn of Yiddish, and I have a feeling that Yiddish won't be forgotten. I think this language is really beautiful, and I think it's really important as well, because this language is something that people were thinking in, that was not created artificially. It was like just the heart and soul of many people. So I think it's really important to know it. If we study the Jewish culture or something, we need to remember that. And I really believe that this knowing this language is really is crucial.